strength, my rock, my fortress, my Savior. God, you are the rock where I take refuge, my shield, my mighty help, my stronghold. Lord, you are worthy of all praise. When I call, I am saved from my foes. I love you, Lord, my strength, my strength. Long life to you, Lord, my rock. Praise to you, God who saves me. You have given great victories to your King.